In this video, I'm going to fix my rough idle issue on my classic 1994 Isuzu Trooper by replacing the old fuel filter. I'm also going to add a fuel system cleaner to make sure everything's running smoothly. And at the end, I'll replace my old wiper blades with a set of new Bosch ones. I'm gonna lift the rear of the car, have a little bit more room to record this. We're first gonna throw some gloves on. All right, so the recommended interval for the fuel filter on my car is every 30,000 miles due to its older fuel system. Your fuel system might be different. If it's a newer car, it's probably less frequent. So as we're coming underneath, you'll see it right here, that's our fuel filter. I'm gonna get some tools. Also, a warning before we start, if you get fuel on you, make sure you have a rag, wipe it off, go rinse it off, and then come back and finish this. All right, first we're going to unscrew this bracket. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. The way these work, you just clamp them together and then you move them to the side. And there we go. All right, so next we're going to pull this hose off. I'm gonna try to put my thumb so it doesn't leak as much. I'm gonna use my screwdriver to pull this up a little bit. I'm gonna get the new fuel filter, insert it, make sure it's all the way seated. Beautiful, just like that. And then I'm going to clamp this back, make sure it's not going anywhere. Next, what we want to do is replace the front one. I'm going to use a screwdriver to pull on the edges very gently. You don't want to rip the hose. I'm going to pull this out. This little box that I have came in handy. It's catching all the fuel. It's really on there good. Okay, I got fuel everywhere. And now with this off, we're going to lift this up. I'm going to put the hose on. Beautiful. Then we're going to tighten the bracket down, tighten the hose clamp down, and we'll be good to go. Last thing we have to do is tighten this hose clamp. We want it tight, but we don't want it too tight. Now we're just gonna check, make sure everything is nice and tight, which it is. So now that we did that, before starting the car, I'm gonna turn the ignition on and give it a few seconds for the fuel pump to prime the fuel and make sure that we have good pressure. Everything looks good here. Everything also looks good here. So far, everything seems to be running smoothly on the Trooper. If this doesn't fix the issue, I'll make another video and I'll keep troubleshooting. So subscribe if you want to follow along. Now let's go to the gas station so we can fill up and add the fuel system cleaner. With that being done, now we can enjoy some spirited driving. Cue the film montage. Now that we did all of that, it's time to replace the old wipers. It didn't work. Let's try that again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See, that was safe and easy. Clearly that was staged, guys.